Alright, we should pull up this car event. If you guys know what it is, let me know. It's beautiful. Got a beautiful Datsun 510 here. And then we got the Civic Type R. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The rollers. The rollers. Little beautiful Boss Mustang right there. It's beautiful. Mustang gang. Get the Beamers. Get the Miata gang over here. Gang gang. Gang gang. Gang gang. So we got a bunch of parking spot over here, y'all. Alright guys, so this car right here is special because I used to own one, a yellow one. You guys didn't know. It's a 280Z. This looks like about a 78 model. Beauty. Lastly, you got the Scissor. I love the body style of this one right here. The BBSs, M6, matching. Beautiful black. Pure correct BBS. There we go. Got VIP over here rolling out. Guess it's VIP. It's gonna turn. Let's see if we can get this shot right here. Air it out. Air it out. Yeah, supercharged Mustang. Turbo. Twin turbo. It's pretty badass. Gas me. Clean S2K. There we go. LeBron. S2K. Oh, there we go. Hit the burn. Beautiful Supra. Car burned out. Trunk lid and hood. Alright, this is a great roller shot right here. All your content here with me. Your free daily e-rides, news, most importantly, how to ride safe out there. Safe, sound, and all getting back to where you want to be. Down inside, when the world feels cold, or with your family, so whatever the case may be, get right into the video.